Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to like someone on Bumble PC. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface of Bumble once you've logged in. Right now, we're only gonna focus on how to like someone, super like, and unlike them. Well, right here is a profile that I'm gonna experiment on. You can scroll down and look at the profile, and let's just say I want to like them. Well, here's what we can do about it. Right here at the bottom of the screen, you can see a tick mark like this, that is like. And right next to it, here's a star-like icon, that's super swipe. And next to it again, here's pass. I'm gonna show you guys how all these buttons work. Initially, I'm gonna hit on like, that means you like them. And do you know that you can super swipe by clicking on this star button right here. But do you know that you will have to buy some super swipes. You can buy it either from credit card, PayPal or Google Pay, it's up to you. And finally, how to unlike them. Right here is a button like this, that is pass. You can click on it to unlike them. And for your general information, you can also click on the right button on your keyboard to like them and left button to pass. That's how we like, unlike and super swipe in Bumble PC. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. The support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.